Baby Audio has released the new Crystalline Reverb. Is it the best reverb? That's up for debate. It certainly sounds good. What I like best about the plugin is that it's obviously designed with user friendliness in mind. You can quickly dial in any reverb sound, which normally can be tedious. Let me show you how that works. The user interface is excellent and even for the biggest newbie, quick to understand and use. Let's say on this acoustic guitar I want a lush, angelic type of reverb with a longer tail, broad and wide. That took me about 2 minutes. And now I will go for a small room with a more of a delay slapback type of vibe. That took me about 1 minute. Let's go to snare drum now, but not before you have hit that subscribe button. You know you want to. So I will use Crystalline on snare. First I want a gated reverb sound. And now I'll go for a more natural reverb, where I want to make sure the snare doesn't get drowned in reverb. It certainly helps to have an idea of what kind of reverb you want, and Crystalline helps to dial that in quickly. Pairing a delay with a reverb is also a neat trick to get a sweet sounding reverb. For that, check out the video which is displayed on screen and linked in the description below.